I rise in the dawn, and I kneel and blow, till the seeds of the fire flicker and glow. And then I must scrub and bake and sweep, till stars are beginning to blink and peep. But the young lie long and dream in their bed of the matching of ribbons for bosom and head. Their day goes over in idleness. They sigh if the wind but lift up a tress, while I must work because I am old, and the seed of the fire gets feeble and cold.